I'm Mrs. Moore. I teach second grade in room 26. This year in math, we will continue to learn how to solve addition and subtraction problems, word problems, how to measure, and how to tell time. We will be using these two books, and we will continue working on iReady. iReady is so important because it helps you at your individual level.
Hi, I'm Mrs. O'Leary. I'm in room 17. This year in our skills, which is part of our reading program, we will be using our skills notebook as well as a skills reader. In these books, we will be learning things such as letter sounds and their spelling for each sound. We will also be learning tricky words, which are words that don't follow a spelling pattern, and spelling words that do follow a spelling pattern. We will also be focusing on writing letters and amplify.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gates. I'm in room 19. And this is our knowledge book. We have two knowledge books. This knowledge program comes from our CKLA, which is our reading program, and it extends the children's learning in such as writing and really expressing themselves, but also it's a focus on listening to a story and their comprehension. Throughout this knowledge strand, we learn about various aspects of the world. We learn about history, such as the War of 1812, cycles in nature to focus on science, ancient Indian and ancient Greek civilizations, fairy tales and tall tales, and then also the westward expansion. So those are just some of the topics that we'll focus on in our knowledge program. And we hope you enjoy the 2020 school year, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.